Ever scrolled through Instagram and seen those sleek spaceship cards boasting about revolutionizing your finances? You're not alone. Spaceship promises a seamless all-in-one financial experience, but can you really access your hard-earned cash whenever you need it? Let's dive deep and see if Spaceship lives up to its name, launching you towards financial freedom or leaving you stranded in the cold vacuum of limited options. The allure of Spaceship. Spaceship positions itself as a modern financial hub. It offers features like mobile banking, budgeting tools, investment options, and yes, even a sleek debit card. Sounds pretty sweet, right? Imagine managing your finances all from your phone, ditching the traditional bank altogether. But here's the thing, Spaceship isn't a bank. It's a financial technology company, also known as a fintech company. This means your money isn't directly held by Spaceship, but rather by a partner bank they work with. This can be a crucial detail, especially when it comes to accessing your cash. So, can you withdraw your money? This is where things get a little tricky. Unlike a traditional bank account with an ATM card, withdrawing cash from Spaceship isn't as straightforward. Here's the breakdown. In-network ATMs. Spaceship offers a limited network of in-network ATMs where you can withdraw cash without any fees. However, using an out-of-network ATM will likely incur a withdrawal fee, potentially from both Spaceship and the ATM provider. Visa Network. Your Spaceship debit card is linked to the Visa network. This opens doors to a wider range of ATMs, but again, be prepared for potential fees, especially if you're using an ATM outside of the Visa Plus Alliance network. Retail cashback. Some retailers allow you to withdraw cash when you make a purchase with your debit card. This can be a convenient option, but there might be minimum purchase requirements and, of course, potential fees involved. The bottom line on cash access. While Spaceship offers ways to access your cash, it might not be as readily available as with a traditional bank account. Before you jump on board the Spaceship hype train, consider your spending habits. If frequent cash access is a must-have for you, Spaceship might not be the ideal solution. Beyond cash, exploring Spaceship's strengths. Now, hold on a second, Spaceship enthusiasts. This isn't all doom and gloom. While cash access might be limited, Spaceship shines in other areas. Mobile-first design. The app is user-friendly and makes managing your finances a breeze. Investment options. Spaceship allows you to invest your spare change in a variety of fractional shares, potentially growing your wealth over time. Budgeting tools. Spaceship offers tools to help you track your spending and stay on top of your finances. The verdict, to Spaceship or not to Spaceship? Ultimately, the decision to use Spaceship depends on your individual needs. Here's a quick breakdown. Grade 4. Tech-savvy individuals who prioritize a mobile-first financial experience and are comfortable with limited cash access. Not ideal for those who rely heavily on cash withdrawals or require frequent access to physical currency. Remember, it's your money. Do your research, weigh the pros and cons, and see if Spaceship aligns with your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.